Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You should be logged in and at checkpoint 1. Once ready, move straight to the main hall. Open your map and equip the lantern and compass so you can reveal hidden paths. Begin by taking the corridor to the north wing. This is the fastest route. Make sure to keep 1/2 rope handy for low ledges. As you walk, look for floor tiles with faint stars. They indicate secret triggers that lead toward Quincy's last known area. Once in the north wing, follow the star-patterned floor tiles and interact with the 3 statues in order. This unlocks a mid-level door. Then approach the lever puzzle. Pull left, then right, then center within 20 seconds to align the corridor. While progressing, use the lantern to reveal 2 hidden doors. One conceals a chest with a clue pointing to Quincy's study. Move deliberately and listen for chimes. Those confirm correct statue and lever activations. You'll enter a hidden study after opening the last door. Speak directly to the NPC librarian to get Quincy's precise location. Complete the short mini-quest by fetching 3 marked pages from adjacent shelves. Returning them triggers Quincy's arrival. If Quincy still doesn't appear, reset to checkpoint 1 and redo the statue sequence and lever timing. This fixes most spawn glitches. Finally, make sure your game client is updated.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.